Hello everyone, welcome back. We're doing another little Corsa episode as always. We're doing the interior this time round. So what I've been doing for the past week over the Christmas week is ordering bits. I've ordered a dial background, which I'll get Lewis to put the image up of so you can see what it's going to look like.
Nice.
I've also went to, is it Crazy LEDs? I've ordered them the Corsa D kit. It's all coming in white LEDs, so we can do all the switches, dials and all that lot in the car, so they're all going to be white. I've already taken the steering wheel off, which is just here. There's a million tutorials online. I want this retrimming just because you know what they're like. They get tatty, and like I've been doing the car up now for so long, so I would like my steering wheel to look pretty nice. I have no idea how I want it done, so I'm hoping the trimmer's got some ideas and can show me some things. Need to get the seats out today as well, so probably going to time lapse me taking the seats out, getting them in the car, driving to the trimmers. Then I'll give you a little update when I spoke to him. Hopefully Lewis can put some images up of the seats the way I want them. I think I've got a picture of that still, so I can show you that. But apart from that, obviously we're going to do all the usual stuff that everyone does. We're going to pop the vents out, paint these white, same on the door. I haven't got the money at the moment, going to get this retrimmed, I believe. I'm going to try and get this chrome off, paint this white also. I think that's about it. I don't think I'll be able to paint that white. I'd have to probably peel all the chrome off, the same with these bits here. So I don't really want any chrome in there, if I'm honest. I'd rather have it all painted white. But anyway, we're going to try and get these seats out now, which isn't really too difficult. It's just a Torx 45, 4 in each corner. Then obviously you've got to take the plugs off from underneath. So we'll time lapse that, and then we'll time lapse me loading this up and getting to the trimmers. Right, we'll see you shortly. I tried to film it, but it was just too much hassle. Both seats are in, steering wheel's in, so let's get off.
Won't you just give it up, cause you don't understand. Pick it up, but you don't understand. And it's really nice, but you don't understand. So pick it up, cause you don't understand. Yes, you don't understand, baby. In real danger, this world ain't simple, but I'm strong, I know how to get out. And I'll find my way, cause it's love, real simple, and that's how it works. Oh, yes, I feel real danger. This world ain't simple, but I'm strong, I know how to get out. And I'll find my way, cause it's love, real simple, and that's how it works. Oh, so won't you just give it up, cause you don't understand. Pick it up, but you don't understand. I feel it's falling down, I know I'll catch it. You crazy road, hey. I feel real passionate. You feel the sun comes down, don't like it shining. You crazy road, hey. Real danger, this world ain't simple, but I'm strong, I know how to get out. And I'll find my way, cause it's love, real simple, and that's how it works. Oh,